I've seen my husband try so many things over the years, but nothing worked as fast or as effectively as the watermelon trick. At first, I thought it was just another one of those too good to be true solutions. He had already experimented with so many different methods, diets, supplements, exercise routines, without any real success. But this time, everything changed. After just a few days of trying the watermelon trick, his energy levels surged, and I could see a noticeable difference in his confidence. He felt stronger, more in control, and for the first time in a long time, he wasn't frustrated. It was clear that something was finally working, and the best part? It was easy. No complicated steps, no stressful routines, just a natural method that helped his body function the way it was meant to. He even told me he feels like himself again, like he's turned back the clock by years. The best part? You can learn this amazing method right now. But let's be real, this trick isn't easy to get right. That's why they developed Nitrox Pro, a simple, powerful solution designed to boost blood flow and restore confidence effortlessly. Stocks are running low, so don't wait. Click the first link in the description now and secure yours before it's too late.